Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix color inversion issue. You can see on Realme 16 Pro 5G. So let's start. So to fix it, we have to turn off color inversion. So to turn it off, just open your settings app and then scroll down to accessibility and convenience and then tap on it and then tap on accessibility and then tap on vision and then come to display this section, and in this section you can see here we have color inversion. So just tap on it, and on this screen you can see here we have color inversion, this option. So to turn it off, just tap on this toggle button. Let me tap on it and you can see it's now turned off, and now you can see the color inversion issue has been fixed. You can see it has been fixed. Okay, so that's it. Please like, comment and subscribe for more videos.